Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get random Street View location. So you can access Neil.fun. This is games and other stuff to cure your boredom. So you can spend Bill Gates money, draw logos from memory, and this is the wonders of Street View. So you can click and you can get random location. So here we are at Joyride, Fort Worth, Texas. So we get random here. And also if you want to change the location, just tap on this and just click this random button at the top right corner of your screen. Now we are in Argentina, Plastic Bottle House, Misiones, Argentina. So let's go outside, and this is a Plastic Bottle House. And let's try another place. And now we are in Shipwreck, Tuscany, Italy. So there is a shipwreck here, and we are the TARDIS England. This is Earth's Court. What is this? This like laboratorium or something, or like spaceship? So tell us in the comment section. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.